OBIEE needs in real time. Okay, so OBIEE is a reporting tool. So here, when we start working, simply saying, I'll just make it a little bit simple. Like I hope like you know what is database and what is the data warehousing, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let us assume we have a transaction data. Okay. Using some ETL process, we loaded data into warehouse database. Okay. From here, whenever customer wants to visually view into different formats, like graphs, charts, pivots, whatever it is. Okay. Then in real-time reporting tools comes into life. Our OBIEE is an Oracle reporting tool where it can connect to different databases. After connecting to the database, whatever the database it is connected, depends on the business requirement, it can design the best reporting solution for the client or a customer who are working with OBIEE. Got it, Sunil?
Yeah.
It's simple. Okay, OBIEE is a reporting tool. It can connect to any database. Most of the time, 90% of your projects you will be connecting to the warehouse database, where you will be having an historic data with good volume of data will be available. Using that data, depends on your business requirement, you will be building the reporting solution for the end user. Okay, coming to OBIEE, OBIEE is having three versions. OBIEE 10G is the older version. Right now Oracle is not supporting this 10G, but still some of the clients still there on OBIEE 10G. Okay, next it comes OBIEE 11G. Recently OBIEE 12C got released. Okay. Coming to three versions, simply saying if you work on OBIEE 10G, you can easily work on OBIEE 11G development. If you work on OBIEE 11G development, you can easily work on OBIEE 12C, or you can directly work on OBIEE 12C also. It's not an issue. Compared to three versions, okay, development part is same. So there is no change in the development part. OBIEE 10G, 11G or 12C. First thing we'll have one main thing is RPD development, which will be built in 3-layer structure. Okay, next is front-end development, we call it as analytics. Okay, where we can develop our reports, onto dashboards. Okay, even OBIEE 10G, 11G, 12C, this is the same step we need to follow for any project. First, if you are having any 10G environment, 11G or 12C, first you will be connecting to the database, which you will be importing the required tables into the RPD physical layer. Then you will be building the physical layer joins in the physical layer. Then we'll be moving that required tables into the second layer, that is business model and mapping layer. There we will design the business logics which are required for our business report development. Then we will move it into the presentation layer, which is the final layer, where you will be having whatever the tables and columns you display onto the presentation, that will be available for you into the front-end analytics for developing the reports and dashboards. Okay, where the difference comes here is in between after building this RPD. Okay, we need to do a small process. That process we call it as deployment process. Okay, here the main difference we can see in 3 versions. For OBIEE 10G, we do a manual deployment. RPD by copying file name to NQS config and restarting when it comes to OBIEE 11G. We use EM page OBIEE 12C, it's a different one where we will be using command prompt and a format which will have your RPD name, user ID and password, okay, all these things, and we will be using for deployment.
Okay, say that one more time on 12C again. See command prompt and format and what else?
Yeah, I'll tell you. In OBIEE 12C, if you want to deploy the RPD, the main change is you will not be having the enterprise manager. Through enterprise manager, we will not deploy. We will be deploying through the commands which we will use from the command prompt, saying that like first RPD name, which user will be deploying, and we will be restarting the services from command prompt. Got it? This is the main differences we can see when it comes to 10G, 11G and 12G. Okay. Other than that, development is same. RPD development and answers and dashboards. RPD should be developed in 3-layer structure: physical layer, VMM and presentation layer. And after that, we'll be using the front-end analytics page is also same. We'll be using the same analytics link for developing the reports and dashboards. Got it, Sunny?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's your name, if you don't mind me asking?
Yeah, my name is Shrikant.
Shrikant, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So still like almost like 2 3 months back, I used to work on OBIEE 11G project. Presently, like I'm working with the BA apps implementation, so I'm working with OBIEE 12C in parallel. I'm having in my environment, I'm having both 11G and 12C, both. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, because like BA apps 11G directly will not support the 12C environment. So we are doing the first implementation to 11G, then we need to move it into the 12C code. Okay. That's where like I'm working on both the environments.
Okay.
Yeah. So till this part you understood, right, Smith?
Yeah.
What exactly? So what I suggest you is, if you want to go for 12C development, like even like if you learn 11G also, that is fine. There is nothing difference. Okay, development part is completely same, 11G or 12C. Okay, in your laptop, what I am suggesting is, in your laptop, during the installation, when admin is doing the installation, if you face any issue with 12C environment, just go with the 11G environment installation. Okay, so
Okay.
that if you learn 11G also, you can even work on 12C. I'll show you that screenshots. When like my machine is having 12C environment, 11G environment, but due to some changes files I have done, so it stopped working. Services are not getting started. Let me show you the RPit, then you will get a little understanding over it. From tomorrow we'll start the exact development and all that. So I'll talk to Ganesh regarding this, because
So who is
like
Ganesh?
your coordinator,
Okay.
who is conducting you the training, right?
Yeah. I thought he was
Yeah.
a trainer.
Myself is trainer, Shrikant.
Okay.
Can you able to see here?
Yeah, I can see.
RPD repository. You can see here. I'll just brief you about today, like what is the physical layer, what is BMM layer, and what is presentation layer. Okay. So here, when it comes to the physical layer, first what we can do is, we know that what OBIEE will do. Once we connect to OBIEE, we need to import the required tables into the OBIEE environment. First it will be imported into the physical layer only. Okay. After that, in the physical layer, if you want to design, suppose if I am asking you a question saying that, Sunil, I want to get data from two different tables. In that two different tables, I want from each table I want to select in a single result I want to select. What you will do at the database? Hello, Sunil?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm here. I'm listening.
Yeah, I'm asking you a question saying that, Sunil, I want to get data from two different tables at the database level. What you will be doing there at the DB level?
I'll be getting data from two different tables.
Yeah, for getting to data from two different tables, what you will be doing at DB level? Database level.
I don't know.
You'll write a query, right?
Yeah.
Query to the database. Okay. Using join logic, right?
Okay.
Join
Yeah.
table 1 and table 2, right? That's what when you do that, you will get the results into your command screen where you are writing your query, right? The same way, when a customer or yourself as a developer, if you are selecting some table columns and columns from the table from the front end, in the back end, OBIEE is very good capable of handling whichever database it is connecting. It is going to hit the database with a very perfect query, okay, and it is going to pull you the results.
Okay. Hello.
You understand my point, right? Whichever
Yes.
database OBIEE is connecting, it is going to hit the database with a very perfect query, and it is going to pull you the results, showcasing you the results in the better visualized format. Okay. So you need not write manual SQL in OBIEE. OBIEE will take care of the SQL logics, because we are going to design that join logics here in the physical. Got it? You got my point, right? What I'm trying to explain.
Yes.
When we are designing any business physical layer, we'll design the join logics here itself in the physical layer. Okay. What happens after designing? So when a customer is selecting from front end, it will pass through presentation layer, BMM layer, and it will go to the fiscal layer. When it comes to the fiscal layer, automatically it will check the join logic. Depends on the join logic, it is going to send a query to the database. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Next, second is business model and mapping layer. What we will design here in business model and mapping layer is, just for your example, I'm just showing you target revenue. Okay. Here we can apply this aggregation rule, or like we can design the column which whatever logic we want to design. We want to design with operators or expressions or some functions we want to use, constraints or types, whatever it is. So we can design that particular business logic, or we can create a new calculation values, or we can design the hierarchy structures from top level to bottom level. See, year, half year, quarter, month, week, date, all these things. Got it? This is how we can design the hierarchy structure as per our business requirement. That means business model and mapping layer is the layer where we will design all the business logics which are required for your reporting solution. Got it? So once we design that, we'll move the required tables and columns into the presentation. That is here.
Yeah.
Tables and columns, you move it in the presentation layer. That will be your final layer, which will be available for you as a developer into the front-end analytics after doing the deployment process of this RP. Got it, Sunil? That's what we are going to do in real time. Okay. Now, I'll just show you the front-end reports, because like as my tool is not working, I cannot log into the analytics, but I can share you the screenshot where I captured the front-end analytics reports. Can you able to see? This is how your RPD will look once we deploy, and we can build a reporting solution for the customer like this. Here you can see it's a quick start dashboard. On this, like, we are having multiple pages. Okay, and we can place a report with the table format as well as the same kind of analysis with graphical format also. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. When we start working with this, I'll give you a simple example. Let us assume you are having some sales data. Okay, that sales data, they will be having weekly reports, daily reports, and monthly reports. How we can design a customer solution is, first of all, we can design a sales dashboard, complete dashboard. On top of it, we can design the page 1 as daily reporting, and page 2 as monthly, page 3 as yearly. On daily, you will be placing all the reports which are going to display with daily logic. On second page, you will be displaying all the reports with monthly. On third page, you will be displaying all the reports with the yearly data. Whenever a customer or a client logs in, whenever he wants to view the report, first he will be clicking on yearly or monthly or daily. Whichever report he wants to see, directly he can go and click on it, and he can view the result as per his understanding. Got it? Okay. Simply saying, like, you know the Amazon, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you want to purchase any laptop, you log into the Amazon site, and you are the end user. Once you log into the Amazon site, you will be typing laptop. It will show you all the companies, Dell, HP, Lenovo, all the companies and their models. And you will be taking a quick business decision to purchase which laptop, which company laptop you want to purchase. You will be selecting that, and you will be checking all the model details, and if you want to purchase, you will go ahead and purchase, right? The same way, once we display this organization level data, Data will be available, how your Amazon related information is available at their Amazon database. The front end is displaying the result for you. The same way when you take a reporting, the front end is going to show you whatever the data is available at the database in a very understandable format, where Amazon, how it is going to give you the complete visualization to select any product to purchase. The same way it will show you the organization level data for a layman with a very better understanding.
Hey, Shrikant, you're breaking up, man.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Like whenever you're talking, you break
What I'm
every
telling,
now and then.
yeah, I'll tell you. So whenever how your Amazon is showcasing you the data and giving you an understanding to purchase the product, the same way when an organization is going with OBIEE reporting, you will be having an visual understanding of your organizational level data in order to take a very quick business decisions in your organization. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
That's the way this tool is going to showcase you the complete understanding of the organization level data for the users of the organization. That's
Okay.
what OBIEE reporting tool is. Any questions? Anything
No.
you want to? Okay. Is the tool is installed on your machine through VM or something?
I'm sorry, say that one more time.
Is the OBIEE tool is installed on your machine anyhow?
No, nothing is
Okay.
installed yet.
I'll do one thing. I'll talk to Ganesh today. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll ask him to do the installation setup for you. Once it is done, okay, from tomorrow we can start the development in your machine itself. That means I'll make you as a presenter so that I'll be guiding you so that you can start working in your machine itself. It will be easy for you to learn the hands-on there itself in the session. You need not practice once again. I'll be guiding you and you will be practicing on your machine so that you'll get complete hands-on in the session itself.
Okay.
Okay. Like that's the way I train the students who comes for the training.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
anyhow,
other question, is it just you and me or are there going to be some more people?
because you and me, because I came to my on-site. I'm in UK time zone. Okay. I'm waking up and taking the training for you.
Okay. So when is it easier for you? Is it easier for you to do in the I can see your time. It's like 4:51 in the morning, correct?
Yeah, no problem. Like
no, is it easier for you to do it in the morning or is it easier for you to do it in the evening? Your evening.
In the morning. No. It will be easy for me to do it in the morning because I'll be having complete sessions. Because like I train Informatica students, I train OBIEE, I train Oracle Data Integrator, I train Tableau, all these trainings.
Oh, okay.
And continuously every 1 hour I'm having one student like this.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Now I was just trying to make sure that it's not too early for you.
Yeah, it's not a problem. I can train it. Okay. There is no issue. Okay. Is there any other questions? Sorry, like I'll tell you, this training takes for us minimum 22 days to 25 days. Okay. Because like I'll go a little bit slow for you in the initial stage just to make you comfortable with the tool. Okay. Once you are comfortable, then we can go a little bit fast. Depends on our understanding.
Okay.
Okay, don't worry about the training because like I have done till now 800 to 900 plus students for all these technologies. Okay, I'm completely expertise onto the OBIEE. From past 7.5 years, I'm working with OBIEE, and where I feel very happy to say I work with OBIEE 11G project, which is the world first 11G successful implementation in June 2010.
Okay. So I need to get hold of Ganesh.
So everything I'll take you as a real time. Yeah, Ganesh will take care. Already I have spoken to him. I'll update him once again because like in your machine, what is the operating system, Sunil? Windows 10, right?
Yeah.
Problem is there. Windows 10 directly will not support the OBIEE. That's what happening. Even my server, my workplace server also having the same issue. When we contacted Oracle, Oracle suggested as if now Matrix is not supporting Windows 10 environment. So what is the best thing Ganesh will do is, Ganesh will set up an VM image on your machine where you can open that VM machine, VM box. In that already OBIEE will be get installed. Okay.
Okay.
I'll talk to him. I'll tell him like to give you the OBIEE 11G image so that we can directly practice on that image and we can get the file done.
Okay, we do it 11G or 12G? Or 12C?
Yeah, we can do it. We can do it 11G. It's not a problem. If we want, like, we can go with 12C also. It's not a problem.
Yeah, why need, because the job I'm applying for, they need 12C.
Okay, then we will go with 12C itself. Okay.
Okay.
No issues.
Yeah, that's why I need to have 12C done. Okay.
Don't worry. Like I'll
Okay.
ask him to give you the 12C environment. I can do the training for you on 12C. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Sure, Sunil. See, how many different databases OBIEE can connect?
How many I can count?
How many different databases OBIEE can connect?
Oh, okay, yeah. So the other question I have is, whenever you're working as an OBIEE, do you mostly work on physical, BMM, or presentation? Or is it all three all the time?
Not all the time. Once we develop with complete RPD, most of the time, if we have any enhancement of a new column creation with new logic development or something, mostly you'll be working from BMM there and presentation layer. Okay. If there is any new column, you need to import it once again, or a new table is created at that DB level with an ETL process, then you will be going with from physical layer.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, that's how we'll be going. Yeah. Sure, Sunil. I'll talk to Ganesh. Okay. You can just connect with Ganesh once, and I'll just update him to give you the 12th installation. Once it is done, tomorrow same timing we will log in and we'll start working with OBIEE.
Okay.
Yeah. Sure. Thank
Okay,
you
I'll
so
just
much.
wait. Yeah. Thanks, man.
You have
I'll
a good
just
day.
wait. Yeah.